Hey everybody, it's Debbie O'Neill of Scrap Me Quick Designs, and today I want to share with you something new that Cricut put in the Cricut shop that I think you're going to really love. Cricut has put together two different summer activity kits for us to help us use our Cricut Makers or Cricut Explore machines over the summer with all kinds of goodies in them. Each one has different things in them. I'm going to go over those in a moment. There is Summer Activity Kit number 1 and Summer Activity Kit number 2. They're each $29.99. They have a retail value of over $80 each. So that really is a great savings. Now remember, if you spend $50 or more on product at Cricut.com, you can use my promo code SMQD02 to get 10% off plus free shipping in the US and Canada. So if you end up buying both of these values, then make sure you use my code. If you end up just buying one but you need some mats or some blades or anything else that gets you to the $50, don't forget to use the promo code. I really appreciate you using my link when you make a purchase because that helps me continue to make tutorial videos for you on all things Cricut. It doesn't cost you any extra, but I get a little bit of money from Cricut for doing this, so thank you, Cricut. All right, so let's talk about what's in each of these summer activity kits. So much fun. All right, so the first one is, I have it in my green bucket. Now, unfortunately, you don't get the bucket, but you can buy them at Dollar Tree. So this is just a way for me to keep them sorted. All right, so the very first thing that we're going to get in Summer Activity Kit number 1 is the Premium Permanent Vinyl from Cricut. Now this is the stuff that you're going to use for anything outdoors that you want to stand up to the weather. So signs, mailboxes, decals, that kind of stuff. That's what you use the Premium Permanent Vinyl on, okay? Now, you get one roll of the white in this set, but I wanted to point out to you that this is also the Premium Permanent Vinyl is also the one that you can use on your mugs, on your tumblers, and it stays on. I have washed this thing over 63 times in the dishwasher. It still looks good as the day that I put it in, and that was several months ago now. So that is the Premium Permanent Vinyl. So you get one roll of this in white. You also get a beautiful coral color in it. Isn't that gorgeous? It looks summer to me. All right, then you also get, this is a sampler pack of Cricut's indoor vinyl, if you will, and this is kind of pretty much any color. You get 12 different colors of 12 by 12 sheets, and it starts with black and goes through the colors of the rainbow. A lot of great fun here. And also you get a roll of the sampler pack of the metallic vinyl that's indoor, and beautiful, beautiful, shiny, metallic-y colors. And you get, with all that vinyl, of course, you're going to need some Cricut transfer tape to be able to transfer it onto your projects. So you get that. You also get a roll of, this is Cricut teamed up with Anna Griffin, and there's a whole line of her iron-on products. And you would get the Charlotte in this summer kit number 1, and it has 3 12 by 17 sheets in it. There's kind of a beautiful pink floral color. Then there's one that's a black and white pattern that's kind of like my shirt. And then there's another one that is a tone-on-tone purple pinkish one. So really pretty, and this is iron-on, so you can roll iron-on. Awesome. Wait a minute, there's one more thing in here. All right, so to wrap up Summer Kit Activity Kit number 1, you're going to get, this is the extra fine tip bright color pen set. The colors are so pretty. This is definitely summer colors, okay? So you're going to get all of this in Activity Kit number 1, all right? Now, let's take a look at Activity Kit number 2, because this one has completely different things in it. And the first thing you're going to see in this one is you get a roll of the Everyday Iron-On. This is the stuff that you're going to use to put on your tote bags to take to the beach, or to you know, make shirts with, that kind of thing. So this is Everyday Iron-On, and you get a roll of the white. You also get a roll of the holographic vinyl that's the Horizon sampler. So it's, think about the sunsets, really pretty kind of golds and like a peachy color, that kind of thing. This is holographic, so it has that extra iridescent look to it, and you get a sampler pack of this. You also get a sampler pack of the holographic This one's called Miami. I needed to check the name. This one's called Miami, and believe me, the colors on here remind me of Miami. It's bright, like hot pink and blue and kind of an orangey color, and it's also a holographic, so it's got that iridescent look to it. That is so popular, particularly over the summer, and believe me, if you have young teens in your house, they're going to go crazy over this holographic vinyl. What do we put it on? We put it on our laptops, we put it on our back of our phones, you know, all those technical devices that kids are always traveling with. And we've also, you know, put it on other objects. We've made signs with it. We've done lots of different things with it. Okay, now, one more thing in here that you want to know about is there is a glitter gel pen set in the basic colors. So you get silver, black, gold, brown, and blue. Really pretty. And the glitter on this is just gorgeous when you write with it. So you get a pack of these. You also get a pack of the washable fabric pens, okay? Now you use these when you need to mark the lines on the patterns that are in Cricut Design Space so that you know where your seams are and you know where you're going to be sewing. And then it's washable, so you can wash your fabric and it comes right out, but you can see it when you are working on your sewing project. So that's really fun. And we have this, and of course we're going to need some fabric. And so this is the cutest thing, guys. This is called High Adventure #2. And if you have boys in your house or men in your house, we're always trying to find things that we can do for them and that are more their colors. This has, it has deer on it. It's got a brown, kind of almost like a tone-on-tone brown pack. It has arrows. It has a beautiful little red pattern that coordinates. And then it has this really cute teepee in the blue. It's little teepees. It's really super cute. So you get all of this in the summer kit #2. All right, so like I said, I'll link you up in the description of the video, and you can pick either summer kit #1, summer kit #2, or you can pick both. What are you excited about in the summer kits? Now, I will tell you, this is not the mystery box for June. There is a mystery box maybe possibly coming later this month, so you may want to be on the lookout for that. Be sure and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit that notification icon so every time I post a new video, you get notified so you don't miss anything. And there's a lot more fun things coming out with Cricut, and I want to be here to share them with you. And thanks so much for being around. Come join me in the Let's Learn Cricut Design Space Facebook group and the Cricut Maker with Debbie O'Neill Facebook group. And of course, you can find me at Scrap Me Quick Designs. I'll talk to you guys later. Y'all have a great summer.